The Consumer Price Index is an essential economic measure that tracks the average change in prices over time for a specific basket of goods and services. This basket, representative of what urban consumers spend on a daily basis, includes items such as food, clothing, housing, and fuels, among others. By measuring changes in the CPI, we can gauge inflation, understanding how prices are rising or falling, which directly affects people's purchasing power. One of the primary uses of the CPI is for adjusting incomes to keep up with inflation. This ensures that wages, pensions, and Social Security benefits maintain their real value over time, helping individuals cope with increases in living costs. For example, the U.S. government and businesses use CPI data to make annual adjustments to salaries and pensions. CPI data also plays a critical role in shaping economic policy. Policymakers, such as central banks, rely on CPI trends to make decisions about interest rates, which can help manage economic growth and control inflation. A rising CPI might prompt a central bank to raise interest rates to cool off an overheating economy, whereas a falling CPI could lead to lower interest rates to encourage more spending and investment. The data for the CPI is collected by national statistical agencies like the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics. They conduct extensive surveys across a broad range of retail stores, service providers, and rental units to capture accurate and current pricing information on a wide array of consumer products and services. There are two main versions of the CPI in the U.S. CPI for all urban consumers, which covers about 93% of the urban population and is the index most often cited in reports. CPI for urban wage earners and clerical workers, which focuses on 29% of the urban population and is used mainly for adjusting federal benefit payments. Despite its widespread use, the CPI does have its limitations. It doesn't reflect the spending habits of rural populations or military personnel, and may not quickly adapt to price changes in new technology or improvements in the quality of goods and services. Nonetheless, the CPI remains a fundamental tool for understanding economic pressures that affect consumers, aiding in policy formulation and income adjustments. It provides valuable insights into the economic challenges faced by typical consumers and helps stakeholders make informed economic decisions.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing to our channel for more insightful content. We appreciate your support and look forward to bringing you more videos.